Good morning. Here we are, December 8th, and we're about to apply the final coat. But you can see this is what the floor finally looks like. We started at a Monday, and it's now Wednesday, basically 1,000 feet. A sand, a deep cleaning, a filling, and a finish. There were a few spots to repair that were bad boards. Either they were stained or they were damaged. But either way, we replaced them. And the floor now, this is basically what the floor is going to look like from this point forward. It looks really smooth, really clean. Now we'll make our way down the hallway. It is it's a natural satin finish. And as you can tell, it came out really, really nice. Closet, small hallway, one more room with a small closet back there. Oops, bump into the wall, and the master. At least I think it's the master. It's the biggest room in the house. So either way, 3 days, 1,000 feet, came out really nice. And that's what this company is capable of doing.